Technology as such will transform the way you're thinking of manufacturing. With AirFOS, where FOS stands for Factory as a Service, it's sort of like an enveloping portal that enables companies to manufacture globally, sort of like an Airbnb for factories. So basically this will allow people and companies to move production closer to demand, which means shorter logistics chains and lesser environmental impact. At the same time, it will allow using and drawing more use of the existing resources and capacity in factories, meaning you don't need to build as many new factories. You're able to see the factory world as a single organism. And this, in fact, will be a great leap in both efficiency and I think lead to an easier time for the environment.